Hello, my name is Andrew Richards. I'm the founder and CEO of Codeplay, and I'm going to talk to you today about deploying AI software to embedded devices. So that's about taking the prototype that you developed in the lab and converting it into something that's actually going to run on the device. But I'm going to talk to you about how to do it using open standards. I'm going to talk a bit about why that's a good thing. First off, I want to explain how to understand the challenge. Why is this hard? So what we find is there's lots of different kinds of AI out there in the world, and these different kinds of AI algorithm are often integrated into a single system, and each of those algorithms actually performs better or worse on different kinds of processors. So we need to take those different algorithms and we need to apply different techniques to each of them in order to get the best results on each processor, and they're all integrated together. So we need to work out how to integrate them together. And there's deep learning, where that's what we hear about most, isn't it? And then inference is where you've trained a system, and then and you're applying that artificial training to real world data, and that's able to solve certain kind of problems, but not all problems. And then there's machine vision algorithms, which are often older, but are still being developed very much, that don't use all this training stuff, that are hand coded, but they can still be very, very important in modern systems. There's sensor fusion, where you combine data from lots of different algorithms and lots of different sensors to be able to work out a reliable view of the world. And then there's decision making and planning, what it is you're going to do. You've understood the world now, what is it you're going to do? And finally, actually, we do see training sometimes happening in devices. Devices need to be able to learn for themselves under some circumstances.